never let go.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're gonna be decorating this leaf that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be using this orange and red paint for now that I already had from the Dollar Tree. Of course, I'm gonna be using my foam paintbrush. So I thought this DIY was great for kids or just anyone who enjoys painting. I am not an artist by any means. I just like creating cute decor for a fraction of the cost. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Miss V, and I create videos focused on helping you save money, whether it's saving money on home decor, groceries, hairstyles, housing, just whatever. That's my main focus, helping you to save money and getting you out of your comfort zone of not doing projects yourself. So that's the purpose of my video, to inspire you to create your own home decor. I love Dollar Tree because you get some reasonable items for $1. Not everything in there is worth $1, but for the most part, you're getting your money's worth. So I'm just gonna paint this entire leaf orange, as you can see here. And now I pulled out some more colors that I may use. That's a metallic gold and it's yellow. So I'm gonna go around the edges of the leaf with the red paint, and my inspiration is a leaf that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's red and orange, just like I'm painting here. So the joy of doing projects yourself is that I'm sure there's a right and a wrong way, but you should feel comfortable enough to do it your own way. As long as you're happy with the product, that's really all that matters, in my opinion. Especially if you're doing it for yourself. Now, if you're doing it for someone else, of course, that person needs to like the project. So now I'm gonna go in the middle with this yellow to lighten everything up a bit. First I have to open it. I've had this paint for over 3 years and never used it. Got it at the craft section of Dollar Tree. Guess I get it open eventually here. There we go. All done. just gonna glue mine together. Make a sign. Like anything inspirational, so I can display this for the fall.